Chapter 9 Graphics in Python. Chapter outline. In this chapter, you will learn turtle library, drawing different Python turtle shapes, some more graphics functions, some interesting graphics. KB. AMB, I have learned Python and I can develop different codes in Python to give desired output. AMB. Wow, KB, that's great. Do you know that we can use Python for drawing shapes also? KB. Drawing with Python? Python is not a drawing app. AMB. No, it is not a drawing app, but we can write a code to draw different shapes. Do you want to learn it? KB. Yes, sure. It would be great fun. Turtle library. A pre-installed Python library called Turtle gives users a virtual canvas on which to draw shapes and images. This library is named after the on-screen pen known as the turtle used to sketch. The Python Turtle library lays the foundation of basic graphics programming. Drawing different Python turtle shapes. The Turtle library can be used to draw different geometrical shapes by using some special commands. In order to start using Turtle graphics, we need to import the Turtle module. Start Python idle and type the following. Import turtle as T. This imports the Turtle module using the identifier T. Drawing a line. To draw a straight line, type the following command in idle window. T.fd200. This will draw a straight line in the direction the turtle is pointing, figure 9.1. The default direction of the turtle is towards right. The FD method is a shorthand for the forward method. The two methods are identical. The number of steps to move is shown as integer in the parentheses. The positive integer moves turtle forward in the direction of the turtle. The negative integer moves turtle in the backward direction. Another method to move turtle backward is to use any of these methods, backward, back, or BK. Drawing a square. To draw a square, we need to turn the turtle in different directions. The RT and IT commands are used to turn the turtle in right and left directions respectively. The angle by which the turtle has to be turned is mentioned in parentheses. Now, let us draw a square using the following code. We have used a for loop. Inside that, we use the FD and RT functions of the Turtle library. The clear function is used to clear the earlier graphics drawn in the Python Turtle graphics window. This will draw a square in the Python Turtle graphics window, figure 9.2. Drawing a circle. To draw a circle, we need to turn the turtle by an angle of 1 degree for 360 times. Also, at each step, the turtle needs to be moved forward 1 step. Now, let us draw a circle with the following code. This will draw a circle in the Python Turtle graphics window, figure 9.3. Quick quiz. The Python provides an alternative way to draw a circle as T.circle100, where 100 is the radius of the circle in pixels. Drawing a rectangle. To draw a rectangle, we need to define the length and breadth of the rectangle. Type the following code in the Python code window. This will draw a rectangle in the Python Turtle graphics window, figure 9.4. Drawing a star. Whenever we need to draw a star, at first we will simply make a simple triangle. After that, we need to draw an inverted triangle on our triangle. For that purpose, we need to lift the pen up in order to take it to another place and then start drawing our inverted triangle. For this purpose, we can use pen up command. This will pick up the turtle once the normal triangle is drawn. After reaching the new location, we use pen down command so that turtle can start drawing again. This will draw a star in the Python Turtle graphics window, figure 9.5. Some more graphics functions. Function name, description, example. T.penColor. This function allows you to change the color of the pen. Some common colors that can be used are red, green, blue, and cyan, as well as options like light green, turquoise, sky blue, etc. The name of the color needs to be specified in double quotes inside the parenthesis. T. pen color red, T. pen color sky blue. T. fill color. The shapes that turtles draw can also be filled with a certain color. The line and fill colors are identical by default. T. fill color blue, T. fill color yellow. T. pen size. The thickness of the pen can be increased. The default thickness of the pen is 1. T. pen size 3, T. pen size 12. Some interesting graphics. Let us draw some interesting graphics. To draw a red colored flower as shown in figure 9.6, type and execute the following code. To draw 5 tangent circles as shown in figure 9.7, type and execute the following code. Smart Connect. Tangent circles are the circles which meet each other at exactly one point only. To draw spiral rectangles as shown in figure 9.8, type and execute the following code. Tech terms. Turtle, the on-screen pen used to draw shapes. Tangent circles, the circles which meet each other at exactly one point only.